afternoon. It's a glorious sunny day and I'm inspired with this rose hydrolat. Hydrolats are a result of the distillation process, and it's the water that we get to separate when we finish the distillation process. And that water has traces, minimal traces of the oil that you just have distilled. In this case is rose, which is a really expensive oil if you get it organic and really natural, but you can buy for a reasonable price hydrolats, and you can just spread it around your face at any moment of the day, with makeup, without makeup, and it's really good for dry skin or when you are on a flight and the environment is dry and you feel your skin is really stiff and drying up, and you need that kind of sensation of, some wetness and some clarity. And rose is absolutely feminine, and it will give you that sensation of revival in your skin. Try it. It's super, super nice. Bye.